Hello friends, it's Danny here, and today it is time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week that I still have in my possession. All of these can be found on my blog, and the link is in the description box below. Let's get started. I'm still trying to carry on with a Christmas card or a holiday card each week. So this week I did some embossing and some pretty papers, sending you lots of love this Christmas. And then there's the inside. Just simple, easy, but I thought it turned out so pretty. For the Inky Paws Challenge, the theme was warm and cozy. So I thought Newton's nap time was perfect. I love you more than naps. I do love naps, so that would be a lot. And then there's the inside. Super cute. And then on Wednesday, it was Popeye Day. So I used the I Am What I Am stamp set from Scrappy Boy Stamps. And I also used their Card Sketch Sundays sketches. So far they've had 2 this year, so I did 2. So this was the first sketch, and it says, "You're my anchor." And there's the inside. I thought it would turn out so fun. And then here's the second card sketch that they've put out. And this one's just happy birthday. And that is embossed. I don't know if you can see that with little hearts. And there's the inside. So there are my creations for the week. I should start to have a few more popping up soon, some more videos. My daughter is going back to college, so I'll have all the crafty time, and my husband will be leaving in a couple weeks too, so then I'll have more crafty time. Anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty.